I love making my own beverages in the summertime. It feels so good to skip the packaging, the cans, the plastic bottles, the unknown water sources, and make my beverages from scratch in glass jars with fresh spring water. I try to use as many homegrown ingredients as possible. I brew up my favorite herbs with minimal sweeteners for refreshing summer drinks. One of my favorite beverages in the summertime is Love Your Liver Iced Chai. I combine traditional chai spices with fresh ginger, black tea, and gentle liver cleansing herbs. I make it up into big batches, strain it off, put it in the fridge, and then I can reach for it when I come in from being outside and have a nice cold beverage to drink that's in a glass jar that was homemade. It feels really good to know exactly what the ingredients are in the beverages that I drink. I know the water source, and the beverages are packed into glass. I've been combining traditional chai spices with liver cleansing herbs. I have my chai spices all mixed up, and for the liver, I add dandelion, burdock, and licorice root. The dandelion can be bitter, and the burdock is earthy, and the licorice sweetens everything up. All the spices go in at the same time. I have always loved making potions, and I'm not a very big measurer. Definitely like a pinch of this and pinch of that kind of girl. The dandelion I harvested myself, and the burdock came from my friend's farm. And if I have some fresh ginger, I add that too. I bring the mixture to a boil and then simmer it covered for about 25 minutes. Turn off the heat, and then I add some black tea. Black tea does best with a short steep, just about 5 minutes, and then I pull out the black tea bags. Black tea can become bitter if it's boiled or steeped for too long. And then I strain the mixture into jars. When I go away for the weekend, I have a whole cooler full of jars of beverages. It's not really traveling very light. And I add honey and half and put it in the fridge for a delicious cold summer beverage that is great for liver detoxing. With all the toxins in our world, from the groceries that we buy, to the water that we drink, to the air, I feel like it's really important to be consistently giving our liver some love. It's my Love Your Liver Iced Chai.